Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can get widgets on HUAWEI. So in order to access and add the widgets to the home screen on your HUAWEI smartphone, you will need to firstly open the home screen itself, then make the pinch and swipe like that, and open the service widgets page. Here are all the widgets that are available to you. So then select whatever widget you would like to use and drag it to your home screen. If by getting widgets you meant how to get more widgets add new widgets to this available widgets list, that is something you will need to figure out yourself, since the widgets do not come separately, they come with the app. So let's say you will download some Google Keep application, even though it's HUAWEI, but it will do as an example. And once you do that, the Keep Notes widgets will be automatically added over here, and you will be able to add them, manage them, and use them to begin with. So if you would like to get more widgets, just, well, get more apps and get the apps that provide you with the widgets that you're interested in. And in here, it's too generic for me to give you any advice on. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.